Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to design professional presentation slides using Google AI Studio for free. This is a quick way to create polished slides without spending hours on formatting or using paid software. First, open your browser and go to aistudio.google.com. Sign in with your Google account, and from the dashboard, click on Generate Media. Now in the text box, type exactly what you want for your slides. For example, you can write, create a clean and modern presentation slide about digital marketing with icons and bullet points. Or design a professional business slide with a title, an image placeholder, and a short text section. Click Generate and wait a few seconds while Google AI creates your slide design. If you need multiple slides, simply repeat the process with different prompts like second slide with 3 key points about digital marketing, or closing slide with a thank you message and contact details. If the design is not quite what you wanted, refine your prompt. For example, you can say minimal design with a white background and blue accents, or creative style with colorful illustrations. Once you are happy with the results, download the slides and you can use them directly in your presentation software like Google Slides or PowerPoint. And that's it. With Google AI Studio, you can design professional-looking slides quickly and for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more AI tips, and I'll see you in the next one.